Okay, quick Facebook tour of my room here at the Hotel Palazzo Manfredi in Rome. And I'll show you the best feature first, aside from the fur bedspread. Look at that. Recognize that? It's the Colosseum. And that's my view of the Colosseum as I drink my Prosecco here in Rome. Cheers! Wish you were here. So we have this amazing view of the Colosseum, and I'm interested to learn what these ruins are right here in front of me. Again, we're here at the Hotel Palazzo Manfredi, and this room is an example of compact yet stylish and functional. So we have the bed there. Have kind of a entertainment center there. The back wall, the drapes close, and that's kind of your closet. The drapes close across that whole wall there. There's a mini bar over there. Something very cool. Check out the Colosseum view from the bed. Yes, you can lay in bed and you can see the Colosseum, which is very cool. And you know where else you can see the Colosseum from is, let me show you this cool, stylish Italian bathroom. Look at that marble sink. Very nice. Very cool little toilet and bidet over there. Got a little rack for the amenities and towels and things like that. And then you have this giant stand-up shower. And the cool thing is that while you're taking a shower, you have a view of the Colosseum right from the shower. Now that's cool. Again, here in Rome, staying for a couple days here at the Hotel Palazzo Manfredi, which is a Relais and Chateau luxury hotel. You can see the full tour on my YouTube channel.